it's Chantel with Wildberry Quilting, and today I have a mystery pattern bundle from Coriander Quilts. I'm very excited about this. This is the second time that I've bought this pattern bundle, and the first time was very good. And I was actually very excited to see that Corey Yoder actually watched my video the last time and commented on it, which was exciting. So I thought I'd go ahead and do this again. And of course, I had to pick out an extra pattern that I just fell in love with and couldn't be without. So this is that bonus pattern that I bought. It is so adorable. When I saw this, made up the sample picture of this, it's that perfect farmhouse kind of look that is just so adorable. And I love. Looks like she left a note on the invoice, so let me check that out. It says, "I hope you like this group of patterns. It was fun putting together another for you." Corey. Thank you, Corey. I hope you're watching this again, and I appreciate it. All right, let's see what our mysteries are. Oh, okay, so right off of the bat, I see the last time I placed an order for a mystery bundle with her and an extra pattern, I actually asked her if she would mind autographing it for me. And she did. She not only autographed one, she went through and she autographed all of them, which was so awesome. This time, I did not ask her because I felt like maybe it would be asking too much to request that again. But she still went through and did it again for me, which I so appreciate. Thank you, Corey. So I already showed you this one, and I did not tell you what the dimensions are. It is 62 by 62. So that would be a good throw for your couch to cuddle up with. All right, first one. It looks like it has a few different quilts here. Sweetness and is what it's called. So I don't normally make small wall hangings like this, but I am not disappointed at all with getting this pattern because each one of these could just be multiplied and put together and you would have a larger quilt. So in essence, you're kind of getting 3 quilts for one with this. So I am not disappointed by the fact that it is for wall hanging. That is actually really cool because that would be very simple to scale up for larger quilts or for table runners or whatever else you might decide to make with it. Oh, I love this one. It is so cute. These little houses and the little picket fence. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's called Picket Fence Cottage. Oh, I love it. It is so adorable. Let's see, this is 74 by 95. So that is a nice big quilt. That is awesome. I love it. It's so cute. Oh, I really like this too. I was actually looking at a pattern similar to this. I don't think I realized that Corey had a version. Oh, I forgot to take the other one out of the package for you to see. There we go. And this one is called Freshly Cut. And it's just these little tulips in mason jars, which is so cute. And this is 68.5 by 89. So again, another nice sizable quilt. That's awesome. All right. Oh, rainbows. My daughter loves rainbows. She'd probably really enjoy this one. And that's actually what it's called, is rainbows. And it is just rainbow after rainbow after rainbow. It actually almost looks like mermaid scales if you turn it upside down. So I imagine you could, depending on fabric choice, make this look entirely different to where it does not even resemble rainbows. It looks like more like fish scales, if that were something that you were interested in doing, which is very, very cool. And that is 70 by 82. Yay! Oh, this is perfect for July. Even though we're past the 4th of July, I just think of summer and fireworks and sparklers, and that is what this is called, is sparklers. Where does it say it? Right down there. So this is sparklers. I was looking at it on the back because this one says it back there. And it is it's 40 and a half by 40 and a half inches. So this is on the smaller side, but again, you can make this larger by adding extra blocks, or even by just adding a border, depending on how you would like to enlarge it. But it would not be difficult to do if you wanted that to be a larger quilt. Oh, I love leaves, especially fall leaves. They're so pretty, but just leaves in general. And these are really adorable maple leaves, which is completely appropriate for Ohio, which is where Corey is from. And it's called maple. Maple. It's called maple. It's called Maple Charm. And it is 68 by 80. That is very, very pretty. And it is a nice size quilt as well. They're all great sizes. And honestly, if you wanted a larger quilt to be smaller, you could easily do that as well, just by doing these 4 blocks. And there you'd have a much smaller quilt. I'm not sure what that would measure. It's a little bit, you'd have to find out what the measurements are on each individual block to find that out. It looks like each maple leaf block is 10.5 inches. So if you were to just do 4 of them to make a centerpiece for your table, then that would still be, you'd have like a 20-inch square to put on your table or as a wall hanging. So that would be really nice. All right, I think that was all of them. We've got, oh, and I said that I would take this guy out so you could see it a little bit more easily without the glare. Hopefully without as much glare. This is just too cute. You should check out her Etsy shop because she does have this one made up as a sample and it is just stunning. Printed version does not do it justice. It's really those sample pictures that sold me on it. So let's see. What did we get? I've got 6 quilt patterns. I don't know if I can hold them all fanned out like that. My hands aren't quite that big. So 6 patterns, and they are all so pretty. I'm thrilled with every one of them. Thank you so much, Corey, for putting this bundle together for me. And you know I'll be back to purchase more. And thank you guys for coming and joining me for this video. And I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoy unboxing videos or sewing videos or tutorials, please make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and turn on the bell notification too, because then you'll know when I post something new. Thanks so much for joining me. See you next time. Bye.